Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can request a payment on your Payoneer account from an individual or a company. So let's begin the video. So first of all, I'm going to open my browser and I'm going to open Payoneer's website. So you need to actually request money from someone if you want to receive them, if mainly if it is a big company or something like that. So I have already logged into my Payoneer account. So in order to request a money, here you can see on the top right side it says receive, and below it says request a payment. So you're going to press on request a payment. So from here you need to select a pair, so you can either enter their email, name or company, whichever they have registered onto their Payoneer account. So in my case I am going to request money from a company, so I got all the details right here. So here I'm just going to copy and paste the company name. You're going to type whichever you have, either it is an email or whatever. So it says that it looks like you're adding to add a new pair, click next to continue. Well, it is saying this because I don't have this company in my pair list and I am requesting money for the first time, so that's why I'm getting this text message. Anyways, we're going to press on next. So here we're going to again type the company name. We're going to enter its website URL if it has any. So in my case it does have, so I'm just going to enter the URL. So it will automatically auto-write contact first name, contact last name. So here you need to enter the email as well of the pair or who is sending you the money. So I'm going to type the email of whoever is sending me. So now you're going to select the country from where you're going from where your sender is going to send the money. So in my case it's Japan, and we're going to press on next from here. So now it's going to ask you how much amount do you want to receive. So basically you need to ask your pair how much he is going to send. So in my case it's only $70. You can select the currency as well, and here in the description you can type for which purpose you're requesting the money. So this description is seen by your sender as well, so I'm going to type my description right here. After that you can set the payment due by as well. So it mainly depends which date you want to set. So I'm just going to set 10th of March 2021 and request payment as freelancers or as Saeed Wasay. So I'm going to select mine and I'm going to press on next from here. So if you have any file etc, you can drag and drop it here as well. So you can preview it as well. So I highly recommend that you preview it first and then request a payment. So here this is how the preview would look like to your pair. Okay, now we're just going to simply press on this request payment button on the lower left side, and now Payoneer we're going to do, and you can see that you can get a link with this as well. So I'm just going to simply copy the link because I'm going to send this link to my pair as well. So automatic reminder schedule 1 week on due date, so they're going to give him reminders as well. And you can see that our payment request, this was sent to whichever pair we want to send. And if I go back to home, if I go to activity and if I go to payments request sent, it will also show me that the payment that I just sent. So here you can see payment request pending. If I open it, you can see that your client hasn't paid yet. So whenever he is going to pay, this status will change from payment made by client, payment on its way to you, and payment deposited. So it's going to take some time depending on how fast your client will do, but this is how you can request a payment on your Payoneer account, either from an individual or in my case, as you saw, I requested a payment from a company. Anyways guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.